Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to talk about Starknet. I'm going to tell you the progress that they are doing and what we can expect for the next year and in this quarter, and the exact date that I am suspicious that the token is going to be launched, and that will mean that the Starknet Airdrop is here. So a very quick video about the Starknet Progress and my estimation on when we can expect the airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, before we go to the content, remember to go to my website cryptocurrencystate.net/videos. There you can search here for Starknet and you are going to see all the videos related to Starknet that I already covered. You can see the first one was in October of 2022, so more than 1 year already. Check all these videos so you know exactly how to apply to the Starknet airdrop if this is your first time here. This is a very important project with a lot of funding, and you will see that from the dates for this video that I'm going to share with you, the airdrop could be very soon here. So check all the Starknet videos so you don't miss this opportunity. Now the first thing that I want to comment is how is the progress of Starknet project in general. Some stuff are technical, but we just want to cover a little bit what we can expect from them until the end of the year and then for the next quarters. So here, this is the website Starknet.io. You can go first to developers and go to Roadmap. And from there, we are going to see the first thing, which is the Starknet version 0.12.3, which is what Starknet is focused right now, and is to deprecate the Starknet feeder gateway. This was meant to be used as a temporary solution until full nodes that support Starknet JSON RPC mature and are able to meet the needs of the community. And Starknet now has 3 different full nodes implementations in production: Pathfinder, Juno, and Papyrus. Consequently, it is time to deprecate the feeder gateway and migrate to RPC providers. So this is what Starknet is working right now. You can see the integration was the 1st of November, testnet are expected the 15th of November, and mainnet the 11th of December. Keep in mind the versions of the Starknet. This is version 0.12.3. So here in the roadmap you can see what is building now and what we can expect for building here on Q2 and Q1. So right now the improvement is the network stability, and they are making a series of engagements on the infrastructure, improving the synchronization of components and eliminating bottlenecks that they found, ensuring their efficiency operation. So that is great, because if you have been trying to do Starknet transactions when the network is very congested, you can really take some time until the transaction passes. So this is part also of the version 0.12. There's some error here because you can see version 0.13, version 0.14 for Q1 and Q2. I think that is a typo mistake. But for Q1 here you can see free market for transactions. This is the introduction of a fee market to improve user experience during network congestions. That is the same that I already commented. And they will allow for an efficient allocation of Starknet's limited resources based on users' willingness to pay for a transaction, rather than simply following the order of transactions in line. So basically, if you want to pay more, you probably will get your transaction first on that bottleneck of the congestion of the network. So that is how many other networks work. If you pay more for the transaction, you will have priority on that. So I think that is also cool. And the most important thing that is for Q2 according to this is a reduction in transaction cost via volition mode. There's not really an explanation of what volition mode is. They are going to launch information about this later on. But basically, Starknet aims to significantly reduce transaction costs by introducing volition mode. Currently, layer 1 Ethereum data cost accounts for the majority, the 95% of transaction cost on Starknet. And you know, Starknet is one of the layer 2 that with more cost on the transaction fee if you compare it with Zksync and many others. So to address this, volition mode will enable developers to build applications with an hybrid data availability (DI) approach, incorporating both on-chain and off-chain data. The bad thing about this is that Volition will be officially released only once EIP 4844 has been deployed to the Ethereum mainnet, so they are depending on that deployment on Ethereum before they can be officially release this new feature. But again, this seems to be already for Q2 on 2024. Now moving into the news that I really wanted to share, my expectation when we can see the airdrop of this token is related to this community announcement, where you can see they are talking about version 12.3. This is the one that I already mentioned and covered, deprecation of the feeder gateway. But here you can see that the version 13.0 will include a new transcription type version 3, and this transcription type lays the foundation for future features on the roadmap, including the transaction fee payment in Stark in addition to Ethereum. So this is the first time, at least, that I see the mention of the token on one of these version releases, and this is very important because we are talking about the Starknet token here, the fee market, paymaster, and non-generalization. So you can check more details here on the article. I will put the link on this on the description. In addition, there is going to be another things, a new Cairo version, and introducing string literals and basic string operations. And here are the dates, guys. These are the planning dates for the network's upgrades. For version 12.3, we already mentioned that. The important here is version 13, which goes on December 5 of 2023. It's going to be in early testnet. So this date may be delayed by a week if needed to December 13. So at least we are expecting to have this on December 13 on the testnet. And this is the important date, January 22 of 2024. Version 0.13.0 mainnet, pending of governance vote. So it's going to be also depending of the vote on the governance, but if this is everything correct, we may expect this feature available already for January 22. So, and this is in mainnet, so the token launch should be before that, because this is already using and including code to include the transaction fee payment on the Starknet token. So this is great news from my perspective. We are 2.5 months from that date, so you still have time to continue doing transactions. Remember to check my videos here. Here you can see 10 transactions per $2. So check my videos, and this is a very important one, tips for a big airdrop on Starknet. And continue keeping your wallets alive if you are farming, because the airdrop of Starknet could be here very soon. Remember to check many other airdrops that I have been covering, from Scroll, Layer 0, Ruby. The drop Fiasco meme coin was not so good, already finished it, but you can see many other stuff like Smart Layer, which is a good one. So check here all my airdrop videos that are still available. And don't forget that I have a private Discord. You can check my subscriptions here if you go to my website. I have a private Discord with 400 people. We are killing it there, applying to many airdrops and keeping alive the airdrop path. And I also have an application where you can sign up and apply to all my airdrops and your custom airdrops from another sources, and keep everything organized and apply very easily, so you don't lose track of anything that you did as an airdrop hunter. So check this video where I explain how my application works, and you can check the subscriptions after that. That will be all for this quick video, guys. A very quick and direct update on the Starknet situation, the technical aspects for now, Q1, Q2, and my expectation that when we can have the airdrop. I hope you enjoyed this video. Before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Don't forget to follow me at Twitter at CryptoCState. I have posting there live stuff that I do for airdrops and many other things related to airdrops mostly. So if you are an airdrop hunter, follow me at CryptoCState to be up to date with all the news about different airdrop ecosystems. That will be all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.